Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei MatePad SE. First of all, open Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on Huawei. Then click on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your apps are ready, open them. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. We'll start with Huawei. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Now on an Android, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then on an Android, if you see this kind of pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of this Android smartphone. Then click on Receive next to Send on Huawei. Now, going back to an Android, tap on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of those files. You can also just click on the chosen ones. Then tap on Send next to Selected. Over here, click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above the user guide on Huawei. Choose Allow Only while in use or Allow this time only to allow camera access. And point your Huawei's camera at the code. In order to input this 6-digit PIN though, click on Input key, type in all of those numbers, and connect thanks to Receive button. So now when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!